everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing fine. You all are safe with your family in your home. So in my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all very simple, very easy egg biryani recipe, which is actually a lockdown special biryani because I will use very minimum ingredients and I'll make it in a very simple way. So now let's start. And these are the simple ingredients that I'll need to make today's very simple and very easy egg biryani. First of all, here I have soaked basmati rice. I have taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice, and also I have added some water, 3 cups of water. And then I have added cinnamon sticks, 4-5 cardamoms, and also few cloves. Also I have added salt and little bit of ghee in my rice. Here is boiled potatoes and eggs. Here is my onion slices because I'll make some beresta to put into my biryani. And here is tomato, chopped tomatoes. This is yogurt and this is biryani masala. I have taken a shan biryani masala. You can take whatever biryani masala is available in your home. Dry spices again. And here is dhania powder, that is coriander powder, jeera powder or cumin powder, and red chili powder. Now I'm going to fry my onion slices. So for that I have taken some oil in my non-stick pan, and now I'm going to fry my thinly sliced onion. Also my friends, I have added some all-purpose flour and little bit of salt in my thinly sliced onion because it will make my onion very crispy. So yes, here is my beresta. It's absolutely ready. The color is just perfect. And now I'm gonna fry my potatoes and eggs. I have added some turmeric powder, little bit of salt, and some red chili powder on top of my eggs and potatoes. Now I'm gonna fry it. And now my eggs and potatoes are absolutely ready. I'm gonna take it out from the oil. So since it's lockdown time, my friends, so I'm not going to use lot of spices into my biryani. And now here I have taken out my excess oil, and in this pan I have added some ghee, and now I'm going to add some dry spices and then chopped onion into it. Now my onions are little pinkish in color, so this is the perfect time to add ginger garlic paste. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And now here I'm cooking my chopped onion with ginger garlic paste. And I just want to show you, here I have prepared my yogurt with all the masalas. In this bowl of yogurt I have added biryani masala and then cumin powder, red chili powder and dhania powder. And now in onion ginger garlic paste I have added chopped tomatoes and 1 long green chili. Now I'll mix everything together and also I'll cook it well. Now my this mixture is absolutely ready, so this is the perfect time to add the yogurt mixture. All the dry spices I have added in yogurt, I told you already. And now I'm cooking my masalas. Within just 2-3 minutes my masala will be absolutely ready. It has already started releasing the oil. So now my friends, I have added my boiled and fried potatoes and eggs into it. Now I'm mixing everything well, and then I'll add little amount of water and I'll cover the lid. So yes, I have covered the lid, and within just 2-3 minutes it will be ready. And meanwhile my rice is also absolutely ready. I made this rice in rice cooker, and you have seen many times in my previous videos I love to make my rice in the rice cooker. Today for biryani also I made my rice in the rice cooker. Look how beautiful, how fluffy this rice is. and you can make it in regular saucepan or regular handi. And now here I have taken my heavy bottom pan. Here my egg masala is ready, this pan is ready, here is my beresta is absolutely ready, and here is my flavored rice is ready. And this is the ghee that I'm gonna use for today's biryani. This is pure butter ghee. Now let's start making the layers. So in the bottom part, just like chicken and mutton biryani, I have added egg and potato masala. And then on the second layer, now I'm adding my rice. Just be very careful and gentle while you are putting your rice. Now on the top of the rice, I have added some beresta, good amount of beresta and little bit of biryani masala. And also my friends, after putting the biryani masala here, I am adding little bit of normal garam masala. And then I'll add some more eggs and potato mixture, potato masala. And then I'll add another layer of rice. So yes, this is going to be my final layer. So on the final layer, I'm adding some rice. And on the top here, I'm adding good amount of beresta. Beresta makes biryani just beautiful and flavorful, and also this ghee. I'm adding ghee, and now I'm adding little amount of more biryani masala, one red chili. And now here I just want to lower the flame, and also I have placed one tawa, and then on the top of the tawa I have placed my heavy bottom biryani pan, and now I have added one lid on top. And now I'll cook my biryani in dum process for 30 minutes in very low flame. And now after 30 minutes, here you can see my biryani is looking absolutely ready. This is so flavorful and super tasty and well balanced. And here I just want to show you how beautiful my rice is looking, and all the ingredients are mixed properly here in this biryani. Now it's time to serve. So my friends, you have seen within just few minutes and with very minimum ingredients, I made this super delicious and very flavorful biryani, that is egg potato biryani, perfect for this lockdown time. And I absolutely know that in this period we cannot go to the vegetable market and fish chicken market so often. So this is the best time to experiment with different recipes, and I think egg potato biryani is the perfect idea for this lockdown time, because all the ingredients are easily available in our home. So my friends, here is the final look of today's lunch platter, egg potato biryani, and with that I have taken some salad on side, that is onion, and also I have taken some raita on side, and just one piece of fish fry, and here is amki chutney or achar. So my friends, here is the biryani. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed my super simple and super easy lockdown special biryani, egg potato biryani. So please take care of your health and absolutely stay at home and do your regular exercise, drink plenty of water. I'll see you guys super soon. Tata, bye.